Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. So right off, I'm starting off with hydrating my face. So I'm using the MAC Fix Plus in the shade Cold Lights. I like using it underneath my makeup and not over my makeup. So yeah, this is how my face looks now. Then I'm going to add some Smashbox primer. If you are looking for a high-end primer, I think this is the one you should go for. Unless you have a lot of pore issues, then you can try the Benefit one, but I love this one. And also I wanted to mention, guys, I am still recovering. I have still a dental surgery procedure left, so yeah, I know it is taking a lot of time to come here and film. I'm really sorry for that, and yeah, I just wanted to mention it. So next up, as a highlighter that I'm going to use under my makeup, I'm using this Victoria's Secret highlighter stick. I know it's not available in India, and for that you can use any other highlighting stick. I guess you get one from Maybelline, of course, and anything that you have. Even if you have a liquid highlighter, you can use that. I'm using it because it just gives a very nice natural look and stays amazing under the makeup. That's why. Also, all of you have requested me to film the look that I uploaded on my Instagram a few days back, the picture of it that I was going to reception and all, and I am planning to do it. This piece is almost similar to that, but not completely. But I want to do that when I recover because it's a very in-depth procedure and it is a very glowy base. So I really want to teach you guys how to do that. So please give me time to recover, then definitely I'll come back. Okay, then for the second layer, I'm using this NYX A Wavy Glow. I will really ask you guys to buy this. This is so good. Mine is a Crystal Glare. I'm going to list everything in the description box below, so check that out. I love this liquid highlighter, guys. I absolutely love it. And also I have done this new thing. I am mentioning everything in the bar that you're gonna see every time I use a new product, and all I'm going to mention there is the brand and the pros and cons of the product, because everything I cannot talk about, right? That's why. So now I'm just blending it out, and what these will do, these will just give my base the absolute amazing glow from within, and it will keep my makeup nice in place. Avoid that dancing. Now it's time for prepping my eyelids for eyeshadow. I'm using this NYX concealer and it's in the shade Fair, and it works as a color corrector as well. You can see it has a really nice peach tint to it. And after I blend this, I'm definitely going to fill my eyebrows because I forgot to do that right now. So I'm going to fill my eyebrows, and then again I'm going to apply one more layer of the concealer because while I was doing my eyebrows, the concealer has already set. So yeah, that's why I'll be repeating the step once more. So I've realized that I haven't used this palette for so long. This is the Fortune Favor the Brave palette, so I decided to use it today. And yeah, I'm just going to use that shade as a crease color. And now I'll just show you guys how to create depth on the eyelids. So this is going to be a overall transition color. Then I'm going to move on to a darker shade, use a more precise brush, and I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to create a false crease. Oh my god, I just almost forgot what it is. So yeah, I'm going to create this false crease. You can compare both of my eyelids and see which one looks more deeper. So yeah, that's how I'm going to create that. Oh my god, these bikes. But then I'm going to move on to that same brush and going to blend both of the colors in nicely. I'm going to use the same brown shade on my outer corner so that my eyes have good shape. Then I'm going to use the primer's backside. I think you got it. And I'm going to just pack the darkest brown shade on my lids to create a nice shape. So my outer corner is going to be almost like a V shape. Now I'm going to take the brush and just blend it in because we don't want a wing now. So next, the star of the show, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty I think it's called glitter eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, And okay, so this is not a bad product. This is really cheap. It comes for rupees 199, but you have to be very careful with the application. If you go in with a heavy hand, after a time, like after it dries out, it's going to flake from your eyelids and you're going to be left with nothing. That's why I am opting for another brush to apply it and not the actual wand that it comes with. So be very careful with this, but it has really nice shades and all, but yeah, you have to be careful. So I have done a half cut crease, so it's really easy to do this or apply these kind of eyeshadows because you don't have to go over with concealer and all. So I took the same brown shade and created more of the depth, and taking this foiled eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply it in the outer corners with my finger so that it kind of blends in with the other eyeshadows and does not look out of place. So yeah, next in I'm using the same color corrector again to color correct my face before moving on to the foundation. Anyway, I missed you guys so much. What's going on? What are you guys doing? I miss chatting with you guys too. Oh my god, you guys are so sweet. The DMs that I get all the time on Instagram, you guys are the sweetest. So right now I have been obsessed with this song called I Don't Care. It's from Justin Bieber and Ed Sheeran. Oh my god, this is so nice. Do one thing, comment down below right now which song are you obsessed over. Okay, I love to hear, and maybe I haven't heard that song, so that will be a good thing. So after the color corrector, I'm going to use my favorite foundation, like one of my favorite, but it's really nice. It's the Total Control Drop Foundation from NYX. I will highly ask you guys or suggest you guys to go and buy this. Right now they are on discount on Nykaa, and I just have mixed it with MAC Strobe Cream. And coming back to the foundation, if you have oily skin, great. If you have dry skin, again great. I think this is the kind of foundation that will go for any skin type. It's really good, has a lot of shades, so I will highly suggest that you guys try it at least once. And I have mixed this with, oh my god, the cards are so disturbing. Anyway, I have mixed this with MAC Strobe Cream because I want all the glow that I can. Also, do not ever forget your neck and your ears while you're doing some like really glowy base, because that can really put you off if you don't have the coverage on the right spots. So yeah, I'm just buffing it with the foundation brush because I want all the coverage that I can get from it. I used 3 drops of that foundation. Next, I took my sponge just to blend everything in perfectly. And this base looks flawless. You cannot do any mistakes with this base. Honestly, this is so nice. For the cream contour, I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and this is how much I like to apply it, and this is the portion that I like to apply it in. And I don't really think that you need to drag your contour to all over to your nose or your cheek. That does not really looks good. So yeah, this is the exact area I like to contour. So I'm going to contour my jawline and my forehead as well, and then after that I'll move on to the powder contour. So exactly that is where I like to do my jaw contour or jawline contour, and I'm blending it in. Again, this is the color bar blender. I got this for rupees 199 and sadly it's not available anymore, but yeah, what can we do? So next I'm going in with this sugar contour powder. I love this stuff. This is so nice, so creamy, buttery. I love the formula, I love the shade, and again everything will be listed down below, so don't worry about that. And next I'm going to just blend everything in really nicely and again follow it up with the powder. So now I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder to reverse contour. This is just because I want the contour line to be sharp enough. So here I use the Nykaa brush. You can use any other brush. These are the 2 that I got from Amazon. These are really great. I think better than Nykaa. And yeah, I'm going to use the same contour, the same cream contour as my nose contouring as well. Next, moving on to my concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. This is really my all-time favorite. I love the formula. I think this is the one concealer I cannot do without. I really like it. So I'm going to just blend it in, and then next set it with the same Maybelline loose powder. They work amazing as a combo. I will be setting the rest of my face with whatever powder I have left on my sponge. This is the way I like to set my face because I have a dry skin. Next, as a blush, I'm going to use BENETINT from Benefit. They have a lot of shade options. If you want to try any tint, then I think you can go for them. Go tint is really pretty. And here is another option that you can use if you don't want to spend so much money on BENETINT. So for my lower lash line, I thought of going for a pop-up color, so I went in with a blue, and then I'm going to curl my lashes using the FAC eyelash curler and using L'Oreal Volume Express mascara. And then I'm going in with the teal shade because I thought that blue was really deep. And next I'm going to take the Maybelline Studio Lasting, I think it's called, liner. So I'm going to use it as my liner. I'm going to tight line with it as well. As highlight, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution and SOPHX highlighter palette. This is blinding. I am sure you guys have watched me use this many times before. And yeah, I really like this palette, but I think I like the next one better. So as my lipstick, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Signature lipstick. These have really different pigments in all the shades. I think the darker shades are really pigmented and they are very long lasting. This one is pigmented, but it is not as long lasting as I would want it to be. So I wanted to top it off with my favorite gloss right now. This is Euro Trash from NYX, and this is the look that you can wear with Indian outfits and with Western outfits. So I hope you liked this video, and that was it for today. Thank you so much for always supporting me.